and there's around 35 kids today, and well, the weather's not so good, but I'm sure we'll still have a great day. And well, we've got lots of activities planned between sports and crafts and music, and then we have a big bonfire planned for tonight, and well, we hope it kind of stays dry for that too.
I've loved playing loads of sports with the kids. They seem so enthusiastic, especially the boys playing football, and the youth leaders from Project Romania. They also love playing volleyball and getting right into their sport, so that's been my favourite.
My name is Claudiu Pop. I am working here in the camp with children and teenagers of all ages. I'm so glad to have camp this week, having as helpers and partners from Scotland, of youth, teenagers and youth from Broxbourne Academy. Thank you for being with us, thank you for helping, and thank you for doing it so well in a Romanian environment. Also thank you for bringing the weather of Scotland here. We used to have sunshine before you came, but we are doing well. I found my jacket, and so I'll do it fine through these days. Besides this, we are so glad to work together. I'm happy to work with Gordon and all the other staff members. Thank you for supporting us, and I'm praising God for everything that is allowing to experience together.
I've enjoyed finding out a bit more about the Romanian teenagers' lives, like finding out about like what they do in their spare time and their sort of friendships and stuff like that. And just I've enjoyed the scenery actually, because like if you look at that, that's beautiful. You know, I don't think we could have asked to be in a more beautiful place, to be honest. So.
Kirsten, what have you enjoyed about the trip so far?
Meeting all these new people and learning all the songs and the games.
Different cultures and meeting different people and just meeting the kids, and they're so welcoming, and it's just working with them and seeing how different people live and the way different people actually communicate with each other, and just unity really.
It's the end of day 2 at Vladeza camp. Today has suited me really well. It's rained this morning and this afternoon. It's been lovely cool weather, which is not at all expected in Romania at this time of year. I've been sitting on the balcony listening to the birds after a really busy day. This morning was Bible lessons in Romanian, which the second time round hearing the story I began to actually understand some of it. I knew we were talking about Jonah. In the afternoon we had a really busy afternoon of crafts, and it's just amazing how well the kids have enjoyed the crafts that we've provided for them. They've been really industrious and have generated a great pile of stuff that was lining the window ledge before they all went home with it.